How to remove someone from a messenger group chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove someone from a messenger group chat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the group from where you want to remove the members from. And now here, once you're inside the group chat, you can just tap on the group chat name at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and select see chat members. And now here, once you are inside this section, you can just tap on admins at the top. And now here, with that, you can just select the person that you want to remove, and after that you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as remove from group chat. And now here, once you tap on it, that particular person will be removed from group chat. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.